Welcome back. Today we will be talking about higher order derivatives. So the rule of derivatives is the same, drop n minus 1. But when they are talking about the higher order derivatives, what they are saying, dy dx is your first derivative, right? The initial one. So when we take again the derivative of the first derivative, that becomes the second derivative. And if we keep on repeating the same process, we are getting the third derivative, fourth derivative, and so on. So when we take the derivative of the derivative, that is called the higher order derivative. That's it. So this will keep on going. If the question is asking for find the derivative of the 100th term, we have the process for it. There are shortcuts. So for number one, they are asking for the second derivative because it said d squared and dx squared. So I know the first derivative is negative 2x and the derivative of the derivative is nothing but negative 2. For finding the second derivative, we are taking the first derivative as our function, right? And then we are finding the second derivative. Question number 2, again, the second derivative. So the first derivative, drop n, so it will be 12x squared. Now 12x squared, I will take the another derivative of 12x squared. So drop n, so it will be 24x. This is the second derivative. Number 4. Now we have 3 lines, that means third derivative. So first derivative will be 20x to the power of 3. And then the second derivative of 20x cubed will be 60x squared. That is my second derivative. Let's follow the same pattern. So third derivative will be 120 to the power of 120 times x. So this is the hierarchy. Let's try number 7. Again, they are asking for it is d cubed by dx cubed. So third derivative. We will do the same drill. First prime will be negative 6x squared, drop n minus 1. Now negative and negative will become positive, right? So plus 12x to the power of negative 4 because negative 3 minus 1, right? So second derivative will be based on the first derivative. So negative 12x. Now negative and positive will become negative, negative 48x to the power of negative 5. Now another derivative based on the second derivative will give you negative 12 plus 240 x to the power of negative 6. You can simplify it more and bring x to the power of negative 6 in the denominator. So I can rewrite it as x to the power of 6, right? For number 8, they are asking for the third derivative, but it will be easier for us if we can rewrite y again because it has a square root function. It is a fifth root. So I can write x to the power of 2/5 because x is squared. And we need to find the third derivative. Let's get started. So y prime will be negative 2 times x, and then it will be 4/5 because we are bringing 2/5 down. X to the power of 2/5 minus 1, which is negative 3/5. Remember, whenever you are subtracting the fraction, you have to make the common denominator, right? Now, let's again take the derivative of the first prime. So that will be negative 2 plus 4/5 and bring negative 3/5 down. Negative 8/5 because negative 3/5 minus 1. And now we will take another derivative of the second derivative. Now negative 2 will be just gone because it is a 0. It's constant. Derivative of the constant is 0. So we have negative 12/5 already. We will bring negative 8/5 down. X to the power of negative 8/5 minus 1. So making the common denominator will give you negative 30/5. And again, we can simplify it. We will multiply negative 12 times negative 8. That will be a positive 96 over 20. This will be my final answer because it is negative 12 over 25th. I just wrote 5, it should be 25. Negative 12 over 25 and times negative 8/5 will be 96 over 125. Now, question number 9 and 10, they are very interesting. They are asking us to find the 100th derivative. Let's understand how we can find the 100th derivative quite easily. If I find the first prime, it will be 99 times 99 because 99 is already there and bringing 99 down, x to the power of x to the power of 98. Second prime, 99 times 99 will stay. Now we are bringing 98 down and x will have the power of 97. If I keep on repeating the same pattern again and again, finding the third derivative, fourth derivative, so you will see a pattern. We have 99 and then 98. So the third derivative will have 97. So basically, this is nothing but a factorial. So we are getting 99 and the rest is 99 was already there, it was a constant. If we keep on going, it is nothing but 99 factorial x to the power of 0 because power is decreasing. So, and I am well aware that x to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. So what is my final answer? Answer is nothing but only 99 times 99 factorial. That's it. Right? Even though they asked for the 100th derivative, but we can simplify it in this way. So f99 was this and f100 is nothing but 0 because 99 times 99 factorial is a constant. So the 100th derivative will be just a 0. Let's try number 10 along the same line. They are not asking for the 100th derivative, they are asking for 99th. So first prime, bring 99 down, x to the power of 98. If we keep on repeating the same process again and again, we will get a 99 factorial x to the power of 0. And x to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. So my answer is nothing but 99 factorial. Right? So these questions seems to be a little bit tedious, but they are manageable. Thanks for watching.